Updates for the BTC. In Twitter now, a lot of people start share the red scenario about BTC, and the target should be around the 30K. Is it possible or not, guys? This is just a hypothetical question because absolutely everything is possible in crypto. So the theory is we already format the here one touch, second one, third one. It's a top, and it's like a wedge. Based on this wedge, we should drop to 34K or even 32 to this block. And also based on this chart, it should be here. It should be around the test of monthly fair value gap, October 2023. Will we drop that low or not? Guys, nobody knows. Nobody knows. We can count, for example, the trend line even like this one. So based on this trend line, we can drop it into the 6K. Of course, it's unlikely happen, right? All right, so if it was the fake out, for example, on a monthly time frame, in this case, we can drop to the 30K, the March 2027. This monthly candle looks not that good for the BTC, just to be honest. But do I believe in the 30K for BTC like a bottom? Honestly, not. Honestly, not. If we reduce all noise and take a look the line chart, sometimes we can reduce the noise and double check it like this one. So where we should count the touches. So this one, so we should break and go higher. So based on this idea, this was a breakout. Now we drop it a little bit under and we should skyrocket to the moon, right? That's why, guys, even based on the line chart, the support is around 30K. That's why nobody know the future, and the main goal now, guys, is just to build a personal plan. What you will do now, or if we drop to the 30K from current prices, it could be like the drop like over than 175%, because yes, I count usually from the bottom to the top because this is how much percentage we should recover back to our entry if you like to buy now. Locally, it of course looks like 63%, not a big deal. So it's just a normal drop, even less than it's already happened. Right? Oh, 51. So no. So I don't think so in this, and I don't believe in that type of scenario. All right, let's go, guys, to the local zones for the BTC. And you remember the idea was this local fib like a top support bounce. We almost size 61 level fib 83 365. The CMA gap is closed, right? And let's show you BTC one on this one CMA. I showed you that gap. That gap is closed. So where the gaps under, we can turn on the smart money concept indicator and find out. The smart money concept indicator counts the gaps here, the full one, this one. On the CMA, we see only this type of gaps, and we close, right, even to the full field. That's why under this gap's a lot of gaps. If we zoom out to the monthly, what we can see, we'll leave a gap here, and this gap is closed, right? So under it's 36 and 28. Once again, yes, it's like a magnet for the price. A monthly time frame, we broke the structure. Here was a break of structure on December 21, March 24. Now we hold the line. So of course, even if we drop like this one, it's going to be the still uptrend structure, higher lows and basically higher highs. And we go higher to the 160K. Is it possible or not, guys? Nobody knows. But locally, I think the crucial moment this summer can be this one, 52,900, 49,500. The 50K this summer more than real to see based on this fib, like impulse, correction, impulse down to the 27 zone. So this is my zone of interest. Will we drop to 36? I don't know, and I don't think so we will. So we already grabbed this liquidity pool. Maybe with a weak candle, we can grab even this one to 48,700, for example. This is a low. I mark it this day because it was the uptrend move. in expectation of the Donald Trump and CCP meeting. So you go back to United States. So yes, it's playing out. Now let's double check, guys, with indicator set locally. Let's just double check on a daily, because on a weekly you can check on a beat stump by yourself with indicators. So here, this is on ADZ. It's not accumulation zone yet, but soon we will see the test of accumulation zone. Based on direction, no accumulation zone. Alert is added. Bulls trend is over, so it's not over yet, even on a daily time frame. So still not triggered that signal, what I added before. That's why I waited this block. All right, let's go to the EMA on the daily. It's an EMA multi, highly recommended. You can use it totally for free, this indicator here. We retested at 200 EMA, now logically going down. So we can see this one bounce, form the new low, and only after that start recover move. We trade all lines. Weekly time frame. Here's a. Oh, this is not enough data, for the lines. Oh, it's counted here. 50 EMA not tested. 85, 148. So 200 already tested. So should we retest it 200 again, like 69K? I don't know. My plan, guys, is pretty simple. This is a block for a summer deeper correction and a new all-time high. New all-time high, like you remember, it's 139 or 159. I don't believe in BTC over than 160K or 170K or even 200K. No, not this time, not this year, or not in the next even, I guess, 2 years. Market smooth on the daily. On the weekly, you saw it's disbelief. How did disbelief playing out? You remember on the history. Daily, it was the capitulation, bounce, hopium, all that in periods we rise because of expectation of Donald Trump and CCP meeting. And now we get also the new out of bad office, right? That's why usually I also share the chart. After every single time the new had an office, we get a correction of BTC. Maybe this time will be different. But this is still like a trill zone. Not euphoria, but not a disbelief. Money power on the daily. What we can see here. Some money in today. Today on a daily money in. Last time money in playing out here in March 29. We bounced from 64 to 82. I don't think so. This time we'll go higher. So I think the correction should be 74, 300, 68, 799. This scenario, more than realistic one for the summer. Of course, I wish to see just hold the line here and go higher. But the zone is relevant. Money power, no money outflow yet. Smart money concept zones, guys, on daily. Of course, the main liquidity pools is about a lot of people now in open a short position. That's why, yes, this liquidity can be like a catalyst for a continuation of the uptrend move. Under, like you can see, a lot of liquidity also. So we just like in a sideline. That's why everything mostly depends of Donald Trump. The positive moment before the election in the United States, we can see the uptrend move. Take profit. What is good? What is bad? Oh, it's good moment, guys. Finally, the buy line start curve up. Kind of so aggressive one. Take a look in May, 2nd May, it was 47K. Now it's 48,500. So in the next few days, I guess the buy line can be in this zone. So you can add the alerts to the buy line, not to the some specific price, because lines are dynamic, like you can see. And wait that line to buy. I think it will be the good entry. We already retested the buy line, but it can be the second retest. Take profit line also going higher. So it's 96,700. Exit line 1K 9,472. Trade on indicator. Buy. Let's close the take profit. Buy still relevant. No signal to sell yet. Here, strong sell signal still in play, and I still not see that signal. That's why if we will see and when we will see the signal to sell. After that, you need to add a signal take profit like it was here. Sell, take profit, buy, recover, move. That's why if in the next few days we will see that from 83 or even from now signal to sell, we come back to this chart and add alert to take profit and wait the new signal to buy. I think that signal will be around 53K. Guys, right, please comment what you think about BTC. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video right now, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.